Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can, and Demi. Let's learn slow motion, 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart after 16 counts on wall 4, but you're actually facing 12 o'clock when you restart. Here we go. Here's a preview of the beautiful steps. It starts with your left foot. Step left, point right, right sailor, sailor, step half turn, walk left, walk right, left, anchor, step, rock back right, pivot half, quarter slide, behind side cross, rock, recover, and a cross scene shuffle, quarter turn and a cross scene shuffle, side hold ball, step, recover, step, lock, step, 2 prissy walks. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the left foot. Step forward, point right, right sailor step, half turn over your right shoulder to face 6 o'clock, sailor step, step forward left, step forward right, left anchor step, back, front, back. So you end the first 8 with all your weight on your left. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Second 8. Rock back, recover with the right. Rock back, recover, pivot a half over your left shoulder, back to 12 o'clock, pivot a half, stepping to the side with the right foot, step side, drag your left. Now you're facing 9 o'clock into a behind side cross. So you just did your anchor step. Go rock, recover, pivot a half, slide right, drag into a behind side cross. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third 8. Just finished our cross. We're facing 9 o'clock. We do a rock recover to the side, rock recover, and a crossing shuffle with the right foot, cross and cross. Now we're going to turn a quarter over our right shoulder back to 12 o'clock, step back, side right, facing 12, and a left crossing shuffle. So it looks like this. We just did our behind side cross, right foot, rock, recover, and a crossing shuffle, back, side, crossing shuffle. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fourth 8, just finished our crossing shuffle. Step side right, hold, ball, step, quarter pivot, step, lock, step, prissy walk, prissy walk. Just finished our crossing shuffle. We do side, hold, ball, step, quarter turn. Right, step, lock, step, left, right. One more time. Crossing shuffle, side, hold, together, right foot, quarter pivot over your quarter rock recover over your left shoulder, recover, right step, lock, step, left, right. And you're ready to start again with your left foot. And the counts are 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Let's put it all together from the top, starting with your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, point, sailor step, walk, walk, anchor step, rock, recover, pivot, a half, quarter, slide, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, and a cross scene shuffle, back, quarter, turn, and a cross scene shuffle, side, hold, ball, step, recover, step, lock, step, prissy walk, prissy walk. Let's do the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So restart. We'll be on your fourth wall, which is 3 o'clock, after 16 counts. So let's walk that through. 16 counts on your fourth wall, and then restart, and you're actually facing 12. So 1 point, 2, sailor, 3, and 4, walk, 5, 6, anchor, 7, and 8. Rock back, pivot half, quarter slide, behind, side, cross. That's 16 counts. So you're going to be facing 12 o'clock with your left foot already crossed, and that's count 1 of the steps. So we're going to keep the left foot crossed, and we're going to snap 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the change, 1. We just finished our cross. 1, pick it up, 2, 3, and 4. That's it, slow motion. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day, right, Demi? Bye.